What's going on, cousins? Listen, I got something real cool for y'all today. You remember that bob we did last week sometime? And y'all was like, girl, I'm gonna need you to get all the colors. And I also assessed that I wanted to get all the colors. Well, I got another color, guys. This is another secret hidden color, like a peekaboo type of color. They have full colors, like as you see right there, the blonde that the model has, but they also have like peekaboo colors, and this is another peekaboo color, and this is platinum, I think, secret highlight platinum, something like that. So it looks very natural, but it has that pop of color, y'all. Remember we had talked about that, like if you got that good government job and you can't do all the wild ignorant colors that you really want to do, you can do wigs like this, and it will allow you to kind of live that dream, but underneath it all. You know what I'm saying? Because see, sometimes we can't really be as loud and ignorant and free as we want to be. I know we be wanting to be all the time, and we also be wanting to be like, y'all can't tell me I can't be loud, ignorant, and free. But sometimes, y'all, we really can't be, and we have to just live it in a different way to where we can still keep those benefits in that job, and then you can see, do it up underneath it all, and they don't even know, and you can be like, bam, period, I'm gonna do what I'm gonna do, and it's done, and it's nothing, and you still got your benefits. Because see, if you mess around and go to work and it bright and out of sight, I can't pay your bills. So I'm not going to encourage you to do anything outside of the realm of what's in those little booklets that you get when you first get hired, and they give you the booklets that you don't read through, but you sign it. Yeah, I don't want to tell you to go to do, outside of that. So just go ahead and you can get your secret highlight color. You feel me? Or if you just want to be bold with it, just get the whole full color. I can't tell you what to do. I'm just saying. So here you are going to see me melt this wig, because you saw me the last time. You saw it glueless, y'all. So I was like, I'm going to do a real deal melt. And this is just one method, y'all. Honestly, I prefer to cut the lace first and then spray. But I wanted to show you this way too, because this is just another option, and you can choose which one works for you in your life and how you want to govern yourselves in accordance with the word. So you have that choice. Now I'm giving you some pro tips too along the way. These are nuggets, y'all. Okay, these are nuggets, and these things will help you take your wig slang to the next level, because that's what it's about, y'all. We want to increase, you know what I'm saying? We want to learn, and I'm still learning when it comes to these wigs. You know what I'm saying? I got crochet braids down pat. When it comes to these wigs, I'm still learning every single day. So these are some of the little nuggets that have helped me along the way. All right, so y'all just kick it with me, vibe out with some music, and yeah, watch how this turns out, y'all. I'm gonna do it in a couple ways. Last time I did not show you guys the middle part, so I'm gonna show y'all the middle part this time, and I think no part or something like that, y'all. You'll see, but just vibe out with me. Watch how this ends up, y'all. When I tell you, you gonna have about 5, 6, 7 of these wigs in different colors, I ain't lying. Watch this, y'all. Look at that. Just ignorant. I can't never just have. Ooh, honey. Anyway, y'all watch this. All right, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget. All right, y'all. Peace, love, light.
You said you want a bad one. Well, baby, I'm as bad as they come. Said you wanna have one. Yeah. You with the hottest under the sun, but be careful what you wish for. Make you eat your words. If I'm more than what you bargain for, fun to flirt, but promise to deliver. Much is required, 'cause look at what I'm giving you. You ain't really ready for real. you want a real one. Well, it don't get no realer than the realest one. Baby, can you handle me? If you really want it, better come get you somebody. Careful what you wish for, make you eat your word. If I'm more than what you bargained for, want dessert, but you ain't finished dinner. Much is required, 'cause look at what I'm giving you. You ain't really ready for real. You ain't even ready for real. You ain't really ready. Won't be faithful to someone ungrateful. I can't try to make you if you ain't you. You ain't really ready for real. No, you'll never miss a good thing until it's gone. Oh, baby, you know you're wrong. Yeah, I know you're gonna own it right back. Say you changed, but baby, I know that's cap. I see reality, and the fact is you ain't really ready for real. You ain't even ready for real. You ain't really ready. Won't be faithful to someone ungrateful. I can't try to make you if you ain't you. You ain't really ready for real.
Every single day just stays the same. Wake up, feel that emptiness of face. Wash away the pain and put some makeup
Can you